Goldfield and Banks, Velvet Splendour. Listen up, fragrance friends. Do you crave a scent that makes a statement? Well, you found yourself in the right place because this thing not only makes a statement, it also envelops you in a blend of sumptuous florals, woods, and spices that are guaranteed to turn heads. So get ready and settle up for Velvet Splendour. This fragrance is not for the faint of heart. But before you splash out the money for a whole bottle, here are about 5 things that I want you to know before you get it. First up, the opening. Right out of the gate, Velvet Splendour smacks you with a overload, and I mean overload, of drenched mimosa and orange blossom. If you think subtly is sexy, this is not going to make you happy. This is in your face. Okay, this intro. The Drydown screams, "Look at me." That brutal floral opener that I just discussed eventually gives way to the creamy tonka bean, patchouli, and vanilla-tinged sandalwood. It's a rich, hard, kind of like a heady elixir that leaves an unmistakable sillage destined to turn heads and elicit complaints. It's strong, but it can also elicit complaints from haters. So this stuff is not for wallflowers. Be careful when you apply this. I know we have some power sprayers in the community. Be careful with this one. When would you wear this? I think this is perfect for date nights, clubbing, and anytime you want to feel glamorous and be the center of attention. Just don't wear it in the office unless you want HR filing complaints. Who should wear it? I think generally this is for confident divas and aspiring influencers. Yes, those who are looking to cause commotion need apply. Both men and women can pull this thing off, but I think that this is definitely something that I would recommend for women. But it's a unisex fragrance. So, however, if you're an introvert, this is not for you. In terms of the value, I've seen this bottle around the internet for $100 to $190. I think it's questionable at $190 at that price tag. It's almost as outrageous as the scent opening itself. It is strong. Unless you're committed on making an olfactory statement wherever you go, you may not think it's worth the cost per wear. However, if you get it at around $100, like maybe this bottle on eBay, then you're in for a treat if that profile speaks to you. So there you have it. The unvarnished truth on Velvet Splendour. Are you brave enough to take the plunge? Apply carefully and wait for the fireworks. Just don't say I didn't warn you. And I'll see you in the next one.